For generations, the shadow of a Third World War has lingered, a stark reminder of humanity's potential for devastating conflict. We've lived with an uneasy peace, a fragile balance maintained by diplomacy and deterrence. But what if that balance shattered? What if the unthinkable became reality? What would a World War III truly entail? Let's explore a hypothetical future. The spark could ignite from countless sources. A tense border skirmish, a fierce dispute over vital resources, or a crippling cyber attack. In this scenario, diplomacy falters, unable to bridge the growing chasm of mistrust. Old alliances, once dormant, are suddenly activated, drawing nations into a rapidly expanding vortex. What begins as a localized conflict quickly spirals out of control, its tendrils reaching across continents, pulling major global powers into its destructive embrace. The world watches, helpless, as the dominoes fall one after another, leading to an irreversible path of escalation. The initial skirmish becomes a global conflagration. Modern warfare, as we imagine it, would be terrifyingly swift and devastating. Advanced weaponry, far beyond anything seen before, would unleash unprecedented destruction upon urban centers and strategic targets. The skies would be filled with drones and advanced aircraft, while naval fleets clash in epic high-tech battles. On the ground, urban combat would rage, transforming cities into ruins. The immediate impact would be catastrophic. Global supply chains, the lifeblood of our interconnected world, would shatter instantly, leading to widespread shortages. Economies would crumble under the immense pressure of war, plunging billions into poverty. Millions would become refugees, fleeing the chaos, their lives uprooted. The world watches in horror as the fabric of society unravels. As desperation mounts, the unthinkable becomes a terrifying reality. The use of weapons of mass destruction plunges the world into an era of darkness. Infrastructure collapses, communication ceases, and the very air becomes a threat. Survival becomes the only goal. In the aftermath, the world is irrevocably changed. Borders are redrawn by devastation, not treaties. Humanity faces an existential crisis, forced to confront the true cost of unchecked aggression. The hypothetical becomes a stark warning. Peace is not merely the absence of war, but a constant, collective effort.